Thank you for joining me today. And if today is the first time of you watching me on this channel, please do subscribe. And this channel is basically all about motivation. Like I said, we're going to read books from now to the end of this year to motivate ourselves. If today is your birthday, happy birthday to you wherever you are. So right now we're still on this book. Change your mind, change your thinking to change your life. So we'll be diving into this book real quick. So let's get started. So we're still on the chapter 2 of this book. So today we'll be talking about don't take it personally. Don't take it personally. This is the second major cause of negative emotions. It's identification or attachment. This occurs when you take something personally or become attached to a person or thing. Separate yourself emotionally from the situation in order to regain your calmness and composure. What cannot be cured must be endured. What cannot be cured must be endured. Opinions of others. Opinions of others. The third major cause of negative emotion is inward considering. This occurs when you become overly concerned with the way people are treating you. If you perceive that someone is not giving you the respect that you feel you deserve, you can feel insulted or angry and want to strike back. Psychologists say that everything we do is to increase our self-esteem and sense of personal value, or to protect it from being diminished by other people or circumstances. Set your own sails. There is a rule that I have learned from experience. Never do or refrain from doing something because you are concerned about what people might think about you. The fact is that nobody's even thinking about you at all. Of course, I am not talking about criminal or antisocial behaviors. The respect of others. The fact is that much of what you do or fail to do is influenced by the same concern. You do many things in your social life to earn the respect of the people you respect, or at least not to lose it. Once you are clear about who you respect and why you respect them, you can then organize your life in such a way that you continually earn that respect, whether they know of your action or not. Sorry guys, today I have to run. I have an emergency that I need to attend to. Tomorrow I promise we're going to continue, and tomorrow we're going to take it. We're going to have a lot of points to talk about. So I'm sorry about that, and thank you all for watching, and I hope you do enjoy this short video. And if there's anything you need to talk about, please leave it in a comment. If there's any book you want us to talk about, leave it in a comment. And please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and please do give us a like. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay alive. Don't drink and drive. Suicide is not an option. We all love you.